In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Alibaba to find and order clothes effortlessly. Whether you're restocking your boutique or just hunting for something new for yourself, this guide will walk you through each step to streamline your shopping experience on one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Alibaba website. Go ahead and type Alibaba into your browser search bar and hit enter. This will take you to the home page where you'll see a wide array of categories that cater to all kinds of products, from electronics to fashion. Once you're on the Alibaba homepage, direct your attention to the search bar prominently displayed at the top. This is your gateway to finding countless apparel options available on the site. Click on the search bar and then type in clothes. It's as simple as that. After you've typed in your query, go ahead and press the enter key or click on the search icon, which will prompt the site to generate a list full of clothing options. You'll now be greeted by a vast selection of garments ranging from casual t-shirts to elegant evening wear. Take a moment to scroll through the results and explore the extensive variety of pieces Alibaba has to offer. As you browse, you'll notice options to filter your search results. These filters allow you to narrow down your choices based on parameters like price range, material, and supplier ratings, helping you find exactly what you need more efficiently. When you come across an item that grabs your attention, click on its image or title to open a detailed product page. Here you can find more specifics about the garment, such as sizes available, fabric details, and shipping information. One of the key things to do on this page is check the seller's reviews and ratings. This feedback from previous buyers can offer valuable insights into the quality of the clothing item and the dependability of the supplier. If you've decided that this is the item for you, it's now time to place your order. Look for the option to add the item to your cart or place a direct order. Alibaba often offers different purchase options, such as buying samples or placing bulk orders, which can be beneficial if you're purchasing for business or retail purposes. Completing your purchase is straightforward. Follow the prompts to input your shipping information and select your payment method. Make sure everything looks correct before finalizing your order. Once you do, congratulations. You've successfully navigated through Alibaba and placed your order. I hope this guide helps you enrich your shopping experience on Alibaba, making it easier and more enjoyable to find the apparel you truly want. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.